photos of Rosy because I know that she is a reflection of the fact that this product is truly changing the way that I can work with people and doing things that I've never been able to do before. I don't have any single supplement that is going to demonstrate to you what you're looking at on the screen. Rosy's son is a doctor who was using this product, and she started to use it, and she started to use it at the age of 84 on the right, and you probably would think that was going to be on the left. 7 weeks later, she actually came back to her son and said, I don't actually think this is working. Unfortunately, he was smart enough to do what we say to everybody. Take a photo because you will not appreciate the changes when it's only you looking at yourself. And she looked at this and she said, wow, I guess it is looking different. I guess I'll keep using it. In the first picture, you can see lots of inflammation and aging and a loss of life and vitality in the human being behind that face. And here we have her as she reverses her aging at 87 and now at 91. And I would just remind you that the wrinkles we see on the outside are the wrinkles that are happening on the inside. We don't get away scot-free. And so if we're changing something this visibly on the outside, we know we're changing something on the inside. And therefore, you know, we truly are able to actually interrupt the breakdown of aging.
I'm testing this fish which is dying upside down, and I test with a sear redox signaling molecule, see whether it can lead it to survive or not. The fish is dying, no oxygen. I'm going to put some sear redox signaling molecule onto the fish. The testing of reviving the fish. So you can see I put some redox signaling molecule. Okay, see redox signaling molecule. I'll put 3 times within 5 minutes and see what happens. Wow, you see, slowly coming alive soon. Okay, now it's also same day, 8th of May 2020 in my Kota Kinabalu home now. Now it's alive, so I put it back in the pond now. So my mate now take it out from the pond and put it back. Pond, a bit lah. ครับ看到没有，回来了，又生了，又生了，看到没有？在下面，你看下去了，mana dia? Okey, ini besar punya, 这个besar punya ini, yang inilah, 这个是this is the one that came in, this is the one just put in. Oh, so happy now. Now coming alive. So you see, fantastic. Thank you. Thank you.
Health company. I would just come back to our powerhouse. This is the powerhouse, the Redox, and we are the world's first and only cell signaling supplement on the market for all the reasons that I said. And so how would you use this, and how would you think about how much to drink? Because everybody's going to tell you that they do different things. I think and look at the daily consumption of 4 ounces as dealing with the damage of living today. You know, everyone ages and we get damaged cells on a daily basis, and the goal is that the body should repair and replace those so that we stay in peak performance. So that is kind of what we need to keep us at our peak. Now, if we come to the table to use this because we're bringing old healing that didn't get finished, old damage that's hanging around, maybe it has a name to it, maybe you've got, you know, lots of areas that you're thinking about, that's where we would want to put in more, because that we need additional support to go and address the things that didn't get finished, the body didn't heal and address. The more chronically ill we are, the more we're likely to need a greater amount of support for longer to give the body time to make the repair that it hasn't addressed so far because it didn't have the resources to do it. But the one thing about this is everybody finds what's optimal for them to keep them at their peak performance. And the one great thing about it is that the person who invited you is going to be able to help you tailor how you need to use it for your outcome.